Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up OUKITEL WP36 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to launch our settings, and I've already checked for simple mode and there's no such thing on this device, which means we'll need to adjust all of the settings manually. Then go for accessibility. Right here you'll be able to find a display size and the text. Then we can adjust the font size. I'm gonna make it as big as possible. There's also display size. You can switch it using this slider. Then there's a bold text, which will increase the thickness of the font. High contrast text, which adds a black outline to all of the text, and it's mostly visible on the home screen. Then we can go back, go for color and motion. Only thing I would do here is enable remove animations. It will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. And the last thing I would change is magnification. Not necessarily change, just enable it, and that adds the loop floating around your screen. When you click on it, you will enter magnification mode. You can click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in and click on the loop icon again to zoom out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.